Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at ETHPad. ETHPad on CoinGecko listed not even a full day, already 30% up, but it is more right now in the total. I will show you why it is more than 30% and why this token will be a big thing in the future, a big name, because ETHPad is the first decentralized and deflationary IDO platform inspired by EIP 1559 on Ethereum. So what's that mean? What is an IDO? An IDO is an initial DEX offering. It is like Pancakeswap and UNISWAP. Okay, a DEX is a decentralized exchange. So here you learn a little bit more on this channel than others. Let's look forward. You can buy this token right now on Pancakeswap. ETHPad, the next step in our evolution. A key piece of the ecosystems that started with BSCPad is the addition of an Ethereum-based launchpad, which will give you our team full control of cross-platform launches, enabling liquidity, sniping bot, protection, our cross-chain bridge, and proven staking system. Inspired by EIP 1559, ETHPad will have several deflationary triggers tied to selling, staking, and IDO participation. ETHPad is brought to you by BlueZilla, the team that also brought you the massively successful launch of BSCPad. Since then, we have demonstrated again and again that our team knows how to move the needle with crypto marketing. The simple fact is, we have the resources, knowledge, and experience to deliver winning launchpad products, and ETHPad will be no exception. So I believe it true, people, because we have here BlueZilla behind that. We have a real team. We don't have any scammers here behind this. We don't have any maybes. These guys delivered already and they will deliver again. How it works, deflationary. The first two main deflationary mechanisms will be a 10% fee on all token sales, of which 2.5% will be burned and 7.5% rewarded to stakers in ETH. There will also be an option to unstake early that comes with a 25% burn fee. If you wait 7 days to unstake, there is no fee. So that's nice. Additional deflationary mechanisms are in planning and will be introduced in the future. Super low initial market cap. Initial market cap is only 55.5 thousand. IDO and token information. Participate in the IDO. To participate in the IDO, you must be staking and past QIC at least 3 hours before the IDO date. The public price is 0.0015 USD and maximum supply is 1 billion. Supply at listing is 37 million and the market cap they already write it. Tokenomics goes 11% to team, 6% advisors, liquidity, ecosystem, reserve. They have an airdrop, launchpad public, BSCPad public, private sales 22%, and stake rewards. So you can see they are doing everything right because they are not doing it the first time. ETHPad tiers. Project tokens offered on ETHPad IDOs will be split into the following pools: 5% for public whitelist lotteries, nice, 10% for lottery tier, bronze, 85% for guaranteed allocation tiers, nice, lottery tier, bronze, 5% staked, 1 lottery ticket. Guaranteed allocation tiers, silver 120 and gold 200,000. So a lottery we also have here inside this. Or did you know it from Pancakeswap also? ETHPad is the next step in our evolution. Cross-chain launches are becoming the new normal. Yes, and we wait for it. As the crypto landscape has evolved to include more and more blockchains, Most projects now begin their initial planning based on the assumption that they will launch on multiple blockchains and or launchpads. With the resounding success of BSCPad, we are able to recover multiple bases. However, we are still reliant on third parties to carry out operations on Ethereum side of project launches. So that's normal. Exist Ethereum based launchpads are susceptible to sniping bots and other manipulative tactics. So I don't want to get bored now, and I don't want to read everything for you, but I think this thing have a huge name on the market, will have a huge name on the market, and also they have an incubator program for new projects. As the IDO space has experienced exponential growth, the number of new projects has exploded. Oh dear, yes. And in this new landscape, a premium is being placed on selection and investing in only the best project. Our new incubator program will select and support the most promising teams and projects, giving them marquee status across our ecosystem of launchpads. That's what we need, people. We have to need some people who are watching this project and tell us where we can invest, right? Think of these projects as tentpole projects or the main event in our calendar. Via our incubator program, you will have access to our legal department to help you set up the best jurisdiction for your token and project if you want to make your own token. Expert tokenomics, design and vesting schedule creation, in-house development support, token contract creation and auditing. Access to our marketing and KOL network, exclusive access to our IDO platforms for the ultimate launch, inavailable industry connections via our advisor and extended network. Invaluable. Apply for projects incubation. Here you can apply for your own project. So they are for sure on social media. Here, BSCPad and ETHPad. BSCPad you already know. It was successful, it is successful, and ETHPad will be the next. So, what you are waiting for? And here is the bridge, they call it the bridge. Here you can already exchange the tokens like on UNISWAP or Pancakeswap. ETHPad for sure have here huge followers on Twitter. We have 74,000 followers, and on Telegram 50,000. But I must correct, it is more. They have 180 and 150,000. They have two accounts on Telegram, two channels. I feel sorry about this. I cannot, you cannot actually right now in there. They don't have any chat, open chat. It will be nice to have this to answer some questions. But they have all the informations right now on Telegram, what you have to know about it. So let's see the best part here at the end. The graphic, the chart, which is very nice to look, because at the beginning, sure, everyone wants to invest, and then boom, the first guys go out and take the profits. But the sideway is something healthy. They need this sideway to make more promotion, to make a marketing, to build a big basic, big brand making, right? So I think this token already have here an easy 10x, okay, already. And I think it will go 100x, maybe more, maybe 1000x. We don't know right now, right? But just look at the price. The price now is just 9 cents. Remember Uniswap, you remember Pancakeswap. I mean, they also were on this low prices, right? And look at them now where they are. So I think ETHPad is a big chance to make you some profits. ETHPad is a good tool to exchange tokens for sure, and maybe work with them to make your own project. So let me know what you think about ETHPad. Write down into this comments. Subscribe if you like, and give me a like if you like ETHPad or if you like this video. It will help a lot to go forward with this channel and show you some more hit coins, because shit coins we already have enough on the market. Let's see what ETHPad is doing. Until then, wish you all the best, make some nice profits, and see you later, alligator. Bye.